Hey beautiful soul, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into something semi natural and incredible, powerful sea salt. So I'm going to teach you guys four ways to use sea salt for a spiritual benefit. But let me explain a little about sea salt. Sea salt isn't only for cooking, oga and madam. It's not only for cooking, it's also highly vibrational tools that can help you clean negativities to balance your energy and protect your heart space. This English, I used to study about spiritual things, and also my family, almost all my family, we know about spiritual, and my mom too is a spiritual, but she's no more, but I learned a lot from her. So I said, let me open my channel to bring it, since they are disturbing me. So I said, okay, let me bring it out for all of us to listen. And I'm a young girl, I'm too young, but I'm going to it, no problem. So number one is sea salt bath. That is the number one. I said I'm going to teach 4 ways to use sea salt. So number one is sea salt bath. What is sea salt bath? How are you going to do? Pouring sea salt into your bathing water. Okay, pouring sea salt into your bathing water. Get your bathing water, but we are not going to use it cold. It's to be a warm water. One of the most powerful ways to use this sea water in a spiritual bath, just add like 1 or 2 table teaspoon of sea salt. This is sea salt. Let me show you. I have my own sea salt. This is sea salt. You can get it in the market anywhere. Some you can, if you don't want to pour or you don't want to use table teaspoon, you can use 14 pieces. You can't, whether big or small. You count it 1, 2, 3, 6. 7 or 14 for your bathing water. Okay, that is how you can use it. You can see it's falling down. Yes, this is what they call sea salt. Okay, I know some of you know what is sea salt. It's just as maybe some who doesn't know what is sea salt. So I'm coming. Then you pour it inside your bowl of your bathing water. Okay, so when you pour inside your bathing water, it's a warm water. Please take note, we are using warm water for this. We are not warm water for this. When you get your warm water, you put your 7 or 14 sea salt, or you use a table teaspoon to pack it to put inside your bathing water. Then you, after putting the sea salt in the bathing water, you leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. You leave it. As you leave it there, you pray. Pray Psalm 91 for protection. Even though you cannot pray Psalm, or you don't have strength to go to your Bible, it's not must. But what you're going to do is you have to what? Pray. As that 30 to 20 minutes that salt is staying in that your bathing water, you begin to pray. Bring the water. Maybe you sat down in one corner of your bedroom or in your living room. You start to pray. Close your eyes and pray. Anything you want God to do to you, that you want relief, that you want something new in your life, that you don't want all this, that bad luck is following you, that you want to remove, that today that you ask for, bathing this sea salt, that you are removing all the energy, all the bad thing, all the evil thing, all the evil eye wishes. Short. After bathing this with this warm water, and then you pray. You can add any oil. If you want to add oil, you can add oil. But if you don't want to add oil, you can just leave. You can just bathe any spiritual oil of your choice. Okay, something like all this rosemary and lavender, something like that. But it's not must, except if you want. Okay, so now we are done with the number one. Now the number 2 is salt bowl. Salt bowl. Salt bowl means home energy cleanse. To cleanse your home with sea salt, get a small bowl like, let me say like 3 or 4 small bowl, just small hand washing bowl. Put a water inside, add a sea salt, place it around the corner of your home, maybe near the door, the window, any corner you want to place it. Put the sea salt and place it in your home and leave it for a day or 2 days. Yes, leave it for a day or 2 days. You will see the magic. Okay, so after leaving it for a day or 2 days, then after placing the bowl around the corner, but before you place the bowl, you have to make sure that you are feeling some bad energy in your home. You feel like when anytime you come to your room, you feel like somebody is around you, or you feel it. When you have a strong feeling, like strong feelings like me, if anything bad came now, ever since I started and this my spiritual journey, I will not lie to you, I've been having a lot of attack. I don't know, but I used to overcome them. Okay, sometimes I don't even use anything, because there is power in your tongue. This, as I'm speaking to you on camera, there is power in tongue. In this our tongue, what we say will surely come to pass, as far as you have a clean mind. When you place it, then you pray, leave the bowl for 2 hours, then you bring it out and throw it away. But before then, you pray. After praying, you throw the water away. My dear, that moment you throw that water away, you toast that water away, you will feel like something fleeing. As you will feel something left your body. You feel like you will not feel heavy. You will not feel like some used to listening to sound. You'll be hearing some sound. You will feel some kind of relief. Sea salt is made from the sea. So they use sea salt. Even though you don't use sea salt, you can also use even the sea water. But let's not go for it today. Let's focus on our sea salt, okay? So that is the number 2. That is the number 2 that you're going to use. Wow. Number 3 is what we call a salt scrub. What is salt scrub? Is energy reset. It's called energy reset. Okay. What you're going to do? Mix salt with oil. Any oil yes, olive oil, or you mix it with coconut. Go into the bathroom with the sea salt or olive oil or the coconut oil. Use this to scrub your body from here like this to down. Okay, as you are scrubbing it, you're not scrubbing it to nourish your skin or to make your skin look beautiful. You are scrubbing it for a spiritual benefit. That is why you are scrubbing it. So just take note of that. Okay, after scrubbing it, you gently you raise your body away. Instantly you will feel relief. You will feel as if something fly away. You feel your body, maybe your body is feeling heavy, but you feel relief. You feel like something step away, something go away from your body. Yes, that is what is it. So the number 4 is what we call salt spray. Quick cleansing anywhere, just anywhere. Maybe you are traveling or you go to a new place, even you lodge in a hotel. When you enter the hotel room, you feel some energy, you can use it. Put it in your bag. This is the number 4, is the last one. Okay, you come into the hotel room, or even you travel with your friend, you feel like maybe your body, you are feeling heavy, maybe you cannot bath instantly or you cannot perform it, but you just have to have this on your back. Anyone that sees you think it's a perfume. It's not a perfume, my dear. It's called anywhere you go, you can use it to cleanse yourself. Okay, no time for bath. If you don't have time to bathe, or you don't have time, just mix a tablespoon of sea salt into a spray bottle water with. So just mix a sea salt with water. Just put it in a spray. Look for something that you can use it to be spray. Maybe you can look for a perfume. Okay, so my dear, let me show you. So you can use it. Just get, for example, you can just get like this. In a spray, you can get container as you see my sea salt. You can get like this container. okay, like this. But make sure the thing you can spray it, maybe all this already, you maybe perfume, or you can even buy it in a plastic shop. Okay, this is the sea salt. Let me show you this sea salt for the very last time. You see, it's very very big. This one itself is even original. I'm the one that use my hand. It's very very big. Okay, so just put the sea salt in that bottle and put water. Okay, so when you put the water anywhere you are traveling, just put it in your bag. Even though you want to enter a motor or a car, just use more, like as if you want to spray a perfume, just spray it in your body. Or when you get to where you and your friends are, you just, when you get there, if you are feeling some bad energy like that, just spray it. Okay, it helps a lot. Just spray it in your body, anywhere you go. So that is the final part. It's very easy. Okay, so in a spiritual world, when you begin to do a spiritual things, you see that it really help. It's not everything someone can do for you. You as a human being, you need to also have your own. You need to also help yourself, because this is, if you want to go and do a spiritual in a spiritual places, you need to, even to consult, even the consultation self, you got to pay. So it's maybe you can use yourself to bypass yourself. Maybe you are this last 4 parts, maybe you are in a shop, or you feel like energy. Energy means sometimes you can have a weak body, you can be feeling some malaria, you can be feeling, but you will feel energy, you feel like you have energy, but at the same time you'll be feeling like something is pressing, no, something, maybe your body is pressing like something, so it'll be like something like stone, or it'll be like something like hammer to break your skin. That is what they call spiritual. The energy that is in you that you need to move. Like anytime you just feel heaviness, sometimes you feel like your ear, you feel like you are hearing sound, but you don't know. You'll be hearing sound, one of your ear will be hearing voo. Yeah, that is to know when that something is happening. Just you bang, 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 just spread in your body. You go anywhere you want to go. Okay, so this is it. This is the last part, and this is it. So sea salt is humble, natural, and deeply spiritual. Very simple. It's not hard to get. Go to a spiritual shop, just tell them I want to buy sea salt. That is it. Okay, so if this is your first time, if this is your first time coming to my YouTube channel, you are welcome. Please like and subscribe, and also share, and also drop your comments for me in the comment section. Let me see how it goes for you. I hope I explained it very well, very easy. So I'll be dropping more video on spiritual tips. Thank you for watching. Bye.